Okay, I have not used this camera in so long and I finally pulled it out of my closet. I'm excited for today because I've been holding off opening this package from ThredUp. During the pandemic, I began reselling and became familiar with ThredUp because some of the stuff that I couldn't sell, I would send to ThredUp. This is the shoe box. I ordered 15 pairs. The reason I'm filming this is I have so much fun watching other people's unboxing. I am not the most knowledgeable when it comes to shoes, but I figured I have fun when it comes to posting shoes because they're easy to photograph and easy to research, I feel like. So anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna open this box because I'm very excited. I've learned when you get these boxes, some of them don't have sizing to them because ThredUp doesn't accept anything that doesn't have the size tag on it. So I'm expecting some shoes to not have sizes. And who knows, maybe I'll find a pair that I like. This came from Pennsylvania. I know, I've learned that people like to know where your boxes come from. So yes, this was $80 for 15 pairs. So yeah, with tax, it was a total of $85.20. If you break it down for 15 pairs, that ranges each pair of shoes around $5.68. I think that's pretty reasonable considering at some thrift stores, especially Goodwill, a lot of their shoes are priced fairly high. All right, I'm so excited to open this. I've been waiting so long. Okay, because this is my first box. So yes, very excited. Hopefully it leaves me with joy and happiness and want to buy another one. So here we go. It's all thrown together. Here, let me show you my perspective. Just a hodgepodge of shoes. So I don't even know where to start. I'm overwhelmed. All right, so I'm gonna grab these ones because these ones are catching my eyes. So these are Superga tennis shoes. They're almost like a gray with embroidered flowers on the side. Wow, they are a little dirty, but nothing a magic eraser can't handle. They're size 8. All right, off to a good start. Okay, and now we have some heels, which aren't really my specialty, but they seem in pretty good condition. A little wear, but not too bad. The brand is Franco Sarto. Am I saying it right? I don't even know. Sounds fancy. Looks like it does not have a size in it, so that's probably why I have it. But they look like they could be a size 7. That's my size. But yes, so here's the first pair with no specific size on it. Oh my gosh, I have very similar shoes like this. That's funny. Different brand though. These are Rockin' Candy by Ziggy. Just these cute sandals with a thick heel. I have a similar pair, I think by Steve Madden. Size 7, hey, these are my size. Oh, I could keep them even though I have a very similar pair. Very nice, good for the summer. Oh, these are quite the statement piece. Look at these shoes. They are in great condition. Honestly, I don't think they've ever been worn, just based on the bottom. Anyways, let's see what brand this is. I'm just so in shock. They're Paris Hilton shoes. I don't know the brand, but I know who Paris Hilton is, so. They do, interestingly enough, the inside is kind of worn. Like it looks like maybe they were never worn, but the climate that they were in may have caused the inside to kind of tear. That's my guess. And they're a size 10 shoe. Definitely not my style, but maybe someone else's style of shoe. All right, next we have another pair of stiletto shoes. I think that's the style of these. Like I said, I'm not shoe connoisseur, but just a basic, really high arch stiletto from Steve Madden. They're size 11, just like a nice blue shoe. Ooh, these are cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at, oh, they have little shells on them. Wow. They're so cute. The brand is Cassidy, made in Italy. They're size 10, but like very, very cute, like a platform heel. And I'm assuming with this long strap that it like wraps around your ankle. There's the bottom. Here's the match. Oh my gosh, wait. This must have been their model. Yeah, so there is like a price tag on it of $635, but it looks like there's these holes right here, which these shoes do not have, those holes. So it makes me think it was their display that they had, maybe. So it was kind of locked in place. That's my guess. So there's a little wear right here on it. It's coming off. So interesting. It's funny because it's like new, but then there's also wear to it. I just don't know what to think. But considering the original price, that's insane. I'm gonna have to search that up. So next we have these flats. It's funny because I could not read the label for the longest time. To be fair, it's in a box formation, so you kind of have to like start somewhere and then follow the words. So for the longest time I was trying to figure it out. They're naturalizer shoes, just like classic flat. See if there is a size, but it looks like it has been worn off. It's there, but I don't think I can properly read it. Ooh, these are cute. There's our Keds. Keds I'm familiar with. I just love the retro look of Keds. They look like they have an arch support on the inside, which is always nice. Okay, the bottoms look really great. Honestly, I don't think maybe they were tried on, but other than that, these are in decent condition. They almost look like bowling shoes to me. All right, yay, boots. I love boots. Unfortunately, in Florida, I never really get to wear boots too often. So these are just a cute brown boot with a little bit of a heel. The zips in the back. They feel like nice quality. Oh, they're Sperry's. I guess I could have told you that based on the little logo right there. They're Sperry's. You know what's funny is I only know Sperry's for their boat shoes, not their boots. So this is exciting. Women's size 8, which is a great size to have. They're in really nice condition. The only thing is it looks like there is a little bit of a mark right there. I've sold a few Sperry's, but mostly boat shoes. They are a little like dented. I need to put like paper in it to like reshape it. Ooh, I see something that's catching my eye that I need to look at. What are these? These are crazy. The brand is Aqua. They're a size 10, almost like a combat style boot, but really shiny. They don't look like they've ever been worn, so they've got a really heavy weight to them. So those are really cool. Is anyone familiar with Aqua brand? Because I am not. Next is this almost like a slide-on shoe. They do have wear on the bottoms, so definitely not new. The brand is Pure La Victorie, a size 8.5. Other than the bottoms, they do look like they're in decent condition. They have a cute little detail on the heel where it's like gold. Since this is my first box, I don't want to get my hopes up, but I also want it to be good so I can buy more in the future, because it's always fun opening just a random assortment of stuff. And I don't know, it kind of introduces you to new brands and you kind of learn. Interesting. There's like powder in them. It's almost like baby powder or maybe baking soda. It could be baking soda now that I think about it, because like that kind of helps get rid of the smell. This is what they look like on the inside. You can baking soda and all. Hopefully I can just brush that out. They're suede, just flat with a little bit of a heel. They're size 9. There's a little bit of wear, but these are actually really cute. All right, next we have a J. Crew pair of shoes, which have wear on them. Pair of red shoes with like a wooden heel. Something different, I kind of like that. They're made in Italy. They're size 6, so smaller. This is probably like one of the smaller pairs I've gotten so far. A nice round toe. They definitely look like an older style, but the only issue I see on this shoe is there is a little bit of scuff marks right there and right there. The other shoe doesn't look as scuffed, but maybe it will buff out. We'll see. All right, 2 more pairs. A nice wedged boot. Carlos Santana boots? What? It's funny because like I'm not even familiar with the brand, but like I know Carlos Santana, and I didn't know he had a clothing line. I know his music. There is a size. That's always exciting. They're size 8. Oh my gosh, the bottom, I'm easily impressed if you can't tell already, but look at the bottoms. They have little roses imprinted on them. They don't look like they've been worn either. Well, I think I'm gonna buy another box. I can already tell you that because I'm just so excited. I can't wait to photograph these. Okay, wait, there's one more pair. It's not over yet. All right, last pair is post-exchange. Post-exchange with an X for the exchange. They're size 38, which is, I believe, a 8 or a 7. Honestly, no wear whatsoever to them. I'm very impressed. They even have the logo right there, if my camera will focus on it, right there. Post-exchange. That's all the shoes. I believe I got all 15. Let me just count to double check. 15. Yeah, that was all 15. Wow, I'm very impressed. Like, there was not a pair of shoes where I was upset about, really. The wear is really nice on a lot of them, especially on the bottoms. It looks like there's not a lot of wear. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to post these. And I'm so glad I got to share with you guys. I hope you like watching these videos just as much as I do. And I think with how well today's unboxing went, that I am most likely to get another box. I just sent in some clothes to ThredUp, just some stuff that's been in my inventory for a while and it hasn't moved. So I'm just waiting for ThredUp to process all that. So maybe I'll get some credit and then I can buy another box, because this was fun. I'm really excited about all the shoes I've gotten today. So thank you so much for watching. If you are someone who likes to watch unboxing videos from ThredUp, leave a recommendation down below on what types of boxes you like to watch, or if you have a recommendation just in general for what you want to see. I would love to get another box. Let me know and maybe I'll purchase it in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.